How to borrow games on Steam. So this is a very easy tutorial. All you have to do is to simply open your Steam account. So this is what it looks like. Now, what you're going to do here is just simply log out and let your friend log in to your Steam. And then you can also do that if you want. But then again, once you do that, or once your friend has logged in to your device, to your account, then you can simply go to settings. And then here, under settings, you have to scroll down and look for family. And then here, you can see options like family view, family library sharing, and then below we have your authorized library sharing on this device. So you just have to turn this one on. And as you can see, select up to 5 users who may access and use your library on authorized devices. But right now, I don't have friends yet. So once your friend can have access to your library, then all he or she has to do is just simply add his or her account here. And then also you can click Manage Family Library Sharing if you want to change something or if you want to add or remove something. Now, once done, you can see here, if you're the owner of the account, you can see here all the games that your friends downloaded here on your library. Now, once your friend opened his or her account, then choose any game here. All she has or he has to do is to click play. Now, if this one doesn't work, then he or she can see a button here that says borrow. All she or he has to do is tap that one, then your friend can play the game. And that's how easy it is. Borrow games on Steam. Thank you for watching this, and I hope to see you in our next video tutorials.